Yes, good day to you guys, and it's already 2:27 a.m. in the morning. So, September 27 din ngayon. And a lot of people, syempre, tulog na ngayon. And I just want to share with you isa sa mga natutunan ko kanina or kagabi kay Sir MJ Lopez, which is, you must focus on the input rather than the output. Basically, guys, input meaning the process. Output meaning the results. So, ang tanong lang doon, kontrolado mo ba ang resulta? So, basically, ang makokontrol mo lang is yung input, is yung process. And kung hindi mo gusto yung resulta, bumalik ka lang ulit sa proseso kung paano mo siya ginawa. Tapos, i-monitor mo siya. Kung gusto mo yung resulta, i-duplicate mo. Kung hindi mo gusto, palitan mo. So, basically, focus on the process. Okay? Yes, good day to you guys.